This is your action news reporter with all the news that is news across, well, Fort Wiley. This is the morning after the snowstorm of, what, 2025? Yeah, right. January 10th, 2025. So, guys, thanks to Jen, she's literally been up all night long. She hasn't went to bed yet.
No, I have not.
Now she's decided to sit here and do some puzzles with the kids. Well, I mean, the only one left is Amber and Mikey, but still.
Lily was here, but she bailed on us.
This is the first time that I've even seen Amber since it started snowing.
I don't like the snow, guys.
But because she stayed up all night long, she done a really good job keeping the tarp safe, guys. Check that out. The tarp lived through a ton of snow. So she kept the fire stoked up all night last night. We did cheat a little bit and use this little diesel heater some. Not a whole lot, but she had to fire it up every now and then because the far side of camp, the snow was trying to build up on the tarp, so she'd have to blow air over this way to get it done. But anyway, let's go.
All of our firewood, pretty much.
Yeah, so let me take you over there and show you that. Well, we'll just walk over there now. This is what we have left for firewood, y'all. I mean, we've got more out there, but it's all buried under snow. And, but this, you know, you guys seen the other day, this was, you know, stacked up about this high, 3 rows deep. And in the last, what, 4 days, 5 days, something like that, that's what we've got left after she stayed up all night last night keeping the fire stoked.
We way underestimated what we would need.
So yeah, that's the last time I'm going to let her estimate how much firewood we need. Okay, let's go outside and look around a little bit, guys. We're going to check this out. All right, here we go. So that, we haven't reinstalled the smoker back inside the camp since I took it out. Guys, that's a lot of snow. We're probably 8 inches, somewhere around in there, 6 to 8 inches. My poor tractor, we got a lot of snow. The guineas, so we have a shade cloth over the guineas, and it collected all the snow, and they only have a little run around the edges right now to get, because the snow was so heavy it caved the shade cloth in. Hopefully we could fix that whenever it starts thawing out a little bit. But so yesterday I had my boss, he's got one of the big tanks in the back of his truck, and diesel tanks in the back of his truck. I had him bring me a load of diesel, and he brought it down. I used the tractor to clear this all real good, make sure he was able to get back out, and you can't even tell I done it. It's yeah, it's a lot of snow. So you get up here, I mean, see if I can find a fresh spot here, get my foot in it. It's literally up to the top of my boots. That's how deep it is. The sawmill looks sad over there. The chickens, they're just hanging out. They're doing fine. You know, like we said, those chickens just decided to show up one day. They've been here ever since. We don't do anything for them. They just survive. I mean, we do throw them some feed out every now and then when we're feeding the guineas, but really, I don't know why they find it so nice to hang around out here, but they do. But yeah, I mean, so Jen would come out during the night and pull down the snow off the tarp what she could down here just to keep the weight off the tarp. We haven't done it in a couple hours, but it's almost done snowing now, so I think we're good and safe. But I am super glad that she done what she done. She was actually supposed to wake me up in the middle of the night and switch shifts, but she got busy working on YouTube and all that kind of stuff and just decided to stay up. And I mean, I'm not going to complain. I got a good night's sleep last night. But we survived. All right. I'm going to go back in and see if she wants to add anything to this. Well, guys, Jen said she don't really have anything to add to that. She's pretty tired. And yeah, down here working on this puzzle.
My brain isn't braining anymore.
So anyway, y'all, I just wanted to give y'all an update on how, camp's holding out. And we've got another video coming out at about 3 o'clock today. That's going to be a longer video that was, pre-recorded. So I just wanted to give y'all an update on what's going on here at Fort Wiley today. And I guess, as always, work hard, stay humble, and love God.
Amen.
And that's it for your daily newscast.
Yeah.